How to fix Play Store can't download on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store can't download on Android phone. First then just open Play Store and then click on your profile here, and now just click settings and then go to network preferences and then click app download preferences and just select this one. You will find it here, and then click this one and click over any network and click done. And if it doesn't work, just go back and go to the settings and then scroll down until you find apps and then click apps again and scroll down until you find here this one, Google Play Store. Click on it and then just click force stop and click on it again, and now go to storage and here we'll find clear cache. Click on it and then clear data and click OK, and then just go back and now go to your phone storage and click clean up and clean your phone cache. Now just wait, and that's it. It's easy. And then click this one, junk files, to clear your phone cache and click delete. And after cleaning your phone cache, just go back and restart your phone and then open Play Store and it will be fixed. And that's it. That's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.